Once upon a time, Bodhisattva was born as a parrot. The parrot was young, so he started living on a fig tree with other parrots. He made a home on the fig tree and began to live there happily. The tree was still young and the parrot was growing up there. The tree offered him delicious and fresh fruits to eat. The branches of the tree became thick with leaves as it has grown with time. These leaves provided shelter to birds. The tree became fond of the parrot who lived in its shelter. As time passed, the tree became old and stopped giving fruits and shaded to the birds living on the tree. All the birds left that tree and went except the parrot. The old tree asked the parrot why he did not leave it while others had gone. The parrot replied, "You are my friend. You gave me tasty fruits to eat and shed. You are my home. I cannot leave you when you become weak." The question was actually asked by Sakha Lord Indra. Sakha was pleased with the answer of the parrot and came in his true form. He said to the parrot, "I am pleased with you. You can ask for anything that you desire." The parrot asked Indra to make his friend, the tree, too young with fruits and leave. Indra was very much impressed with the parrot and gave him what he desired. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.